Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be doing an Amazon haul. As you can see, there are so many packages that I got from Amazon and I'm yet to open all of them. I'm going to be unboxing each and every one of these packages right in front of you all and showing you all of the things that I got from Amazon. Before I begin, I just want to announce that Amazon is going to come up with their Great Indian Festival, which starts on the 3rd of October, and you're going to get insane discounts on fashion products, beauty products, and basically all category of products. The discounts are going to be so amazing, and there'll be a lot of steal deals, so make sure that you check out their sale and shop for everything that you want. So here's everything that I shopped for from Amazon. So I'm gonna start with this box first. Okay, so there are a couple of items in here. The first product that I got is this piece of jewelry. So it's a very beautiful 3-layered necklace. The first layer is a chain, the second one is a heart, and the third one is a lock. I love how classy this piece looks. It can literally accessorize any basic outfit and make you look all chic. Also, the quality of this necklace is really nice. It feels like it's made up of good quality metal and it's not flimsy at all. And I love it that it comes in this tiny box. I can just place it here. There's another piece of necklace that I bought and that is how it looks like. It's got 2 chains over here and then there's this chain with all of these round dangles, and then that is the pendant. I absolutely love how cute this piece is, and again you can rock this with any basic outfit and make it look all nice and classy. I'm gonna put it in the same box that it just came with. The next item is this top that I got. It's like a tunic top and that is how it looks like. It's got this peplum thing going on at the bottom, and then it's got these bell sleeves as well. And I love how cute this detailing on the sleeve. The material is really soft and I love the purpley wine color that it has. Next I'm gonna open this package. So this I got a set of 2. I got a set of 2 basic tops and that is how they look like. It's a plain black t-shirt and then a plain white t-shirt. And the material of these tops is really soft and it feels like a very cozy body hugging material, something that's gonna like make you feel extremely comfortable, and you can also wear this at night. It's like that soft. And the white t-shirt is not even like transparent, so the quality is really nice, the fabric is really nice, and I cannot wait to wear them and style them with the necklaces. So there's another top that I got and I love how colorful this is. So that is how it looks like, and again the material is like really soft. What attracted me to buy this is the color, the colorfulness that's going on. It's so bright, it looks so vibrant, and you can wear this to a brunch or maybe to a movie. It looks so nice. Next up we have another top. It's this very pretty pink top with floral design going on, and it's got this peplum thing on the bottom, and I love how nice and fresh this looks. Again, this can be worn for a brunch, for a date, and yeah, it looks so nice. The material seems to be cotton and it's really nice and soft. Now I promise this is the last top. So it's blue and that is how it looks like. It's got again a peplum sort of a design going on the bottom, and I love the print of this. I love how nice the print looks. The fabric is also really nice and soft, and yeah, it's really nice. It's body hugging. This time I got a lot of tunic tops because I already had a lot of like normal tops. I had a lot of t-shirts, I had a lot of kurtis, but tunics मेरे पास इतने नहीं थे, so I decided to go for tunic tops, and Amazon has a variety of them. So here's another big parcel, and let's find out what's in here. So I also shopped for this night dress. This has to be my favorite thing from this haul. That is how the top looks like. It's a full sleeve top, keeping in mind that winters are coming in, and like I feel really cold even during the winter in Mumbai. So I always make it a point to wear full sleeve night dresses during the winter time, and this looks so pretty. It looks so cute, and it's got bonjour written over here, and the fabric is also really nice and soft. And it comes with a matching printed pajama, a full length pajama. I absolutely love the quality of this. It's a nice thick fabric, something that I can actually wear during winter, and the fabric is not at all see-through because I don't really like wearing undergarments, you know, while sleeping. So the fabric is not see-through, which is a good part. And the material is also nice, soft, cozy and body hugging, something that I would like to wear during the night time. So I think this should be the last item. I also got this bag, and I got it at a steal deal. That is how it looks like, and as you can see, it looks so classy. It's got this quilt design over here. It's got this very classy looking golden color metal over here, and that is how it looks like from the inside. It's got a long sling belt, and it has two cabinets over here and a zip section. The quality of this is really nice, and I just got this for 500 rupees. That's it. I absolutely love this bag. I am sure to be styling this with so many outfits. It's like, it's so versatile. You can like carry this around with Indian, with Western, and you can like carry this around pretty much anywhere. It looks so classy, and I got it at a steal deal. So I think I'm gonna stop this video right here. Those are all of the fashion items that I got from Amazon. I do have a lot of other beauty items as well that I shopped for, and the video, I think I'll upload it tomorrow because I don't want to make this video so long. So I'm gonna like divide it into two parts. So this was the fashion haul, and tomorrow is going to come up the beauty haul. So make sure that you keep an eye out for that. And all of the links to purchase all of these products is mentioned in the description box below. So in case if you like any of these products, you can check out the links and purchase them. And apart from this, there are so many other amazing products that Amazon has at steal deal wale prices, at amazing discounts. So make sure that you don't miss out on the Great Indian Festival that's going to start on the 3rd of October, and grab all of your favorite items at amazing prices. So yeah, that is my Amazon fashion haul. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you did, then please don't forget to hit the like button, and also subscribe to my channel if you're new here. And yeah, do not miss out on tomorrow's video as well. And with that, it's a wrap for now. I shall see you in my next video.